Hello, my name is Peter Joosten. I help organizations, business units, departments and teams prepare for the future. My focus is the impact of technology on our lives, on companies, healthcare institutions and society. Developments are going fast. Artificial intelligence, robotics, big data, biotechnology, you name it. What does your organization do with these trends? As a futurist, I give interactive lectures at companies, institutions and governments to help people think about the future. In addition, as an innovation researcher, I help organizations with future explorations, workshops and consultancy, so that they can implement structural changes to become more future-oriented. I spoke about this at TEDx and I'm a guest lecturer at the Technical University of Eindhoven. I help your organization to be prepared for the future. Become future-proof now. Do you want to know how I can help? Like an inspiring lecture, a workshop or tailor-made consultancy? Feel free to send me a message or visit peterjoosten.org.